have to shave my legs. Let's get to it. Where's my razor? I don't need it. Long nails can be very handy sometimes. I have to finish my report today. Final edits. I think I need to add something. It's gonna be a few pages longer. Samantha got so carried away with her work that her laptop overheated. A little more. The last paragraph. What? Technology is so unreliable. Hi, Caroline. Are you back? What's the news? What's wrong with the camera? I need to clean it right now. Ah! A nail is attacking me. Now it's all right. Caroline, are you okay? You look weird. It's hard to explain. I'll call you back. Hi, I'm here for my nail appointment. Let's get to work. There are so many interesting things here. That's nice polish. I need to reply. Stop twitching already. Is it that hard to sit still? I am never gonna finish like this. I have an idea. Here. Now I can finish your nails fast. It's so hard to sit still. The last nail is done. Oh, yeah! Perfect! My phone! I hope I don't ruin my fresh nails. Hi! Yeah! Whoops! Oh no! I have to get it out! I should clean. Phew! My nails are safe and sound. Achoo! Oh no! It's a disaster! An orange! I want a snack! Oh! A piece of an orange is stuck under my nail. What is that? A toy? I think that's not it yet. Why is there a cactus? I'm not looking under my nails ever again! Done! Thanks! Can I take a pic for my portfolio? Girls, come here! I didn't expect a team of photographers and assistants. These are just nails. Thank you, team. We're done. Do you like it? I do. I'm gonna leave. Carol is on a romantic date. This is for you, a tiny gift. Whoa, how beautiful. Thanks. I can't close it. My nails are in the way. Are you okay? Oh yeah, I love it. I hope the knot doesn't come undone. I did my lips. It's time for eyeliner. Come on. I might stab my eye out. Of course, long nails will help me. This eyeliner is as good as if a makeup artist did it. It's Carol! Hi! Oh, I should keep my nails away. Hello! Is she threatening me? I'll leave. She probably didn't recognize me. My nails are horrible. Samantha! Hi! I need to hide my hands. That's an unusual way to hug. Here's our dessert. It's my favorite. How am I supposed to eat it? There's no way out. I don't want to get my hands dirty. Whoa! You could have just asked for a fork. The friends are getting ready for an exam. Samantha is biting her nails from anxiety. She can't get rid of this old habit. Oh no! She's biting them again! I can't look at this! Oh! Samantha, is it that bad? We have to do something about it right now! Give me your hand! Here, your wonderful nails are done! Whoa! Nice! Thank you! Really? I give up! Oh! I broke my tooth! She's hopeless! Here, and this nail, it turned out perfect! Time for the right hand! It's so hard to do nails with your left hand. A bit more. Done! Oh no! I'll have to go back to square one. My coworker is deep in thought. Oh no! Not that sound again! That nail tapping against the desk drives me crazy! It's like she's tapping into my brain! Stop! I hear that noise everywhere! In my sleep? What? Who's there? At home on the couch? Is that my neighbors? Gosh, I'm so paranoid! She's lightly tapping her nails again? Not for long! This tastes so good! Especially the candies! What's new? Unbelievable! Summer is in 1 week! Time to lose weight! You work out and I'll cook a healthy snack! What? No! Healthy diets cause a lot of trouble! Here, have a donut instead! How can I help you? I need nail polish! They are right here! Great collection! I just have to pick a color. Dusty rose or apricot blush. It's hard to choose. What about amber peach? They are all so different, but I only need one. I know! This! Whoops! I'll get this one. Keep the change. Someone took too long to choose. Your nails are done. You're good to go. Whoa! Thank you. So pretty. Emily, sweetie, hi. You're not gonna believe it. I just left the nail salon. My nail tech is amazing. See my nails? The color is awesome. Yeah, sure. I get it. Honey, you gotta see this. Do you like my amazing nails? What about this color? Oh, what's that? Where? Hey, did he really not like the color? Cindy loves having short nails, so she files them every single night. It's neat and comfortable. The only problem is her nails grow super fast, and the next morning they are back to being claws. I need to get rid of them right now. Cindy mercilessly hacks her own nails down to the root. Not a single extra millimeter can survive. Phew, that's way better. Now my hands look dainty and sweet again. Caroline, sweetie, what happened? He broke up with me! What am I supposed to do now? Oh! Uh-oh! My nails! No! What a disaster! Sweetie, relax! I know! A nail is way more important than some guy! Did you like our video? Then comment below and tell us what funny nail situations have happened to you. And don't forget to give this video a like. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so you don't miss any hilarious new videos from Troom.